In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to sync your audio and video within DaVinci Resolve, no clapping and no guessing. Hey, I'm Andrew, and on this channel, you'll find editing tutorials, lighting tips, and gear reviews to help you make better videos. And if that sounds good, hit subscribe and let's get started. All right, so here I am in DaVinci Resolve, and I just dropped in a clip of an old video that I did with the audio, separate audio recording to show you how you can quickly sync the audio with the video. So you'll see that these are two separate clips. You have the video clip with its attached audio, and then you have the separate audio recording with better levels because it's an actual mic that you want to use and not just the camera mic. Okay, so the first thing to do here is to kind of boost this and normalize the audio from the camera because the waves are just a little bit too low. So I'm going to right click on the clip. I'm going to go up to normalize audio and I'm going to hit normalize to 0. So it's going to look through this whole clip and it's going to bring the peak of that waveform up to 0. So now it's a little bit more similar to what I recorded with the actual boom mic. And that gives you a better chance of just seeing what lines up and what doesn't. So it's really simple. It's as simple as just selecting everything on the timeline or the clips that you want to sync. And you're going to right click them. You're going to auto align clips. Click that and this little dialog box hops up. So you can do a couple things. You can do timecode. So if you're filming on cameras that have timecode and you set it up and you have multiple cameras and your audio recorder is all set to timecode, you can just have timecode. It's already matched. You hit sync and it's good to go, especially if you have multicam and all that set up. Timecode is definitely the way you want to do it. That's the way professionals do it. But you on YouTube, making YouTube videos, probably are not going to be doing timecode. It's a hassle you don't really need to mess with, especially since software is so good at aligning this with just the waveforms. So we're going to click waveforms. And so use track number 1 or 2. It doesn't really matter what you do with here. I always select the track that I want the audio from. So I'm just going to hit 2 and then hit sync. And then it just does it real quickly. And then it just moves the audio back to sync. So if I were to zoom in here on the timeline, you're going to see that it lined up all the waveforms perfectly. And now you're good to go. The last thing that I would do if you did this is link that audio to the video, or you can just delete this audio that's attached to the video and just link those two. So if I have a project that I don't want to deal with this audio anymore, I'll just alt select this audio and hit delete. And then, so now you have two separate clips, but I want to link them. So, all right, you can select them and you can right click and hit link. And there's also this, it'll tell you the shortcut for your operating system right there if you just want to learn that and do that quickly. But you can also just right click and hit link clips. So now when you grab them, you can just drag them around. They're linked. The audio will be matched up. Welcome to this video where we're going to jump. So you're able to just quickly link, sync everything together just like that. That's all you need to know. You don't need to clap. I do sometimes if I'm screen recording, a tutorial and other things, I'll go ahead and click at a certain time or I'll clap like this just to make sure that I can align that perfectly. But the reality is the software does such a good job. And if it doesn't, you can go in and fine tune because you can see the waveforms as well. But that's how I sync the audio and video in Resolve. If this helped, check out one of my other Resolve videos right here and keep leveling up your videos. And if you got value from this one, consider subscribing. I'm here to help you make high quality videos without feeling overwhelmed. Also, let me know what you want to see next. Drop your video ideas or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.